Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to fix can't delete apps on my iPhone. So if you want to go to delete, let's say for example, that app, right? So I'm going to hold right here and you're going to see a pop-up window. Click remove the app, and as you can see, you won't see the delete the app button, or you can only see the two options, which is remove from home screen or cancel. So if you're facing that issue, what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead to the settings, right? And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to the screen time, and then in the screen time, scroll a little bit down. You're gonna see content and privacy restrictions, and you're gonna be able right here to see the iTunes and app store purchases, right? And you're gonna be able right here to see deleting apps. And as you can see, you will be able to see make sure that you make the delete the app option. You're allowed deleting the app on your iPhone. So if you want to delete the app completely from your iPhone, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and just allow deleting apps on your iPhone, and that should fix your problem. So let me know in the comments of this video. Hope you don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.